guys can go to their homes, meet them. This is used for cow feeder. This is
what we saw from far.
oh, ouch! Hold. Okay guys, so we are going back to our route.
Yes.
That was a nice deviation. Actually, one can spend the whole day. You know, there was watching all those places in detail. But guys, we didn't have time. Wow.
Yeah. This hilltop also there is something. I think
That is one of the spots.
will be assassinated there. They will have a special thing where the neck of the prisoners will be cut.
This is actually GOT.
Guys, there is also one more temple here. The same architecture we saw. Okay. Guys, this is the locals place. I think, guys, there is a lot of, people here in the road this time. Before we didn't see all this. This is a village road. So there is this village people after their work, they're coming here, washing their legs and hands, started making food, and also people started, talking to each other after a long day. Village vibe is so good.
They are like raw people there.
Raw people without filter.
Waved at us.
Oh, that's nice.
See, main thing, I didn't see much people, using their mobile phones and just interactions. Yeah.
Evening time they come out and chill out. They get back to their works like.
So we're going to quit from here. So beautiful, so beautiful. Each stone is sculpted by each artisan. Amazing. And over that side also, guys, same exact replica of the pillars. So I don't know how precisely they replicate each pillars. Wow, I really miss this place. This is a mini Hampi of our Hampi in our nearby Andhra Pradesh. Through this way, we'll be joining our NH. So this was a nice deviation, really cool place for a refreshment. Let us say something precious. Come on.
The sunrise in the Raja Mahal or Rani Mahal, if you stand in the balcony.
I am pretty much sure those two will be made in a way they can see both sunrise and sunset.
They would have planned it accordingly and all those
At
things.
the golden hour, sun rays hitting you from the balcony.
Yeah, amazing. So guys, we reached this place, so we are going to join the NH. So we'll be taking the side left and we'll be joining that, okay, on that area. Wow guys, amazing experience. That was a really great experience, right? How you guys feel?
It was really good.
Yeah, this also looks like fort. Look at that, looks like a fort now. This is our modern fort.
Actually, when I was in 4th class, I came to the same fort. And I forgot, I don't know what is Chandragiri fort. And then again I came back, I saw the statues. And these statues, I saw them somewhere else.
And I'm very nice. So the ones with these guys too.
Yeah.
Actually,
Those are very nice. I want those
Very nice.
pictures. So you give any pictures?
So will never give, whatever photo she took, that's
I will
gone.
never
That's
send
it.
it.
Green, small hills, everywhere. Plateaus, yeah. See, if you see the map, you will be able to see all this, mountains. Wow. Can't wait. The time is 5:30. Okay, guys, the time is 5:30. It's about to sunset and it's going to be night very soon. Guys, see that the light from the cloud is hitting the mountain and it's giving that shape. Yeah.
So good.
Guys, before we were seeing it in a pretty color. Guys, we saw something very different on the way. So we're talking about this all this while. So we thought we'll stop and show it to you guys. Yeah. Wow, guys. So this is a mountain we were talking about. This looks so different. The reason why it looks so different is because look at the light falling on top of it. And look at how beautiful it looks, like some kind of a metal is on top of it and it's reflecting something, right?
Yeah. struggling to come. Sunlight here.
Yeah.
The sunlight is like
See the
golden
mountain.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it looks like a metal plate, some kind of an alien ship. I am feeling it like that. Just that metal piece.
No, you
it
know
is
what?
looking like
Someone can
that.
hide or do some major work there because it's like everything that can be another
depth.
fort.
Yeah, that mountain is super amazing, guys.
From a long view, it looks like an UFO has landed in Andhra
God.
Pradesh
What?
and got covered by the grass and all, and then it lifts up from the mountain.
Yeah, I think it was
It's
landed
just like
there
that.
long back,
Oh
and
my
it got on top of that mountain,
so
and
beautiful.
plants started
Guys,
growing on it.
Aliens found in Andhra Pradesh.
Guys,
have never
there is a lot of
before here.
guys. There is a lot of
And you can see the smoke. This smoke is the arrival from the UFO. UFO was crashed here,
Come
and
on,
then we
you
are
didn't
getting
leave
this
the
smoke
UFO concept.
from the smashed UFO.
guys.
All the waste.
Is it's a grass. Is that a forest fire or it's just? Oh my God! But it is. Look at that. It's.
It's not a forest.
Bhaiya, it's burning hai.
For clearing the
Can you
unwanted
ask? Can you
plants.
ask?
He's on call.
Ask.
చెత్త
What?
waste weeds. Okay guys, so they do this firing for clearing all the weeds on the roads.
Uh-huh.
Most probably
clearing
this
the
is the
road.
place where he comes for feeding his goats and all.
Okay, then
Goats
why he
and
want
cows,
to?
everything
So
is
he
there.
wants to clear the weeds on the roadways and all,
Roadside.
because that might affect this grass and all.
Oh,
Might be
really?
his field. I think
That's
this is
a
his.
scientific
This is
Yeah.
his field. Yeah, this is a very fun flower. Okay, you can just pop. Tap. Ah, yeah.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, just
Shit,
pop.
yeah.
Shit,
Just
I'm seeing
pop
it
up.
for the first time. Okay.
Pop.
Lot of pops are there here. Pop, pop, pop.
Guys,
It's a pop. I think
Guys,
it's moving there. I can
look
see
at this cow. So good, black and in the sunlight. It's looking super amazing. I hope this won't hurt us.
Bro, this reminds me of
Okay,
that
it's time,
Amul
right?
advertisement.
Oh my
Ah.
God.
Yeah.
In the?
It will beat. It will.
Oh, it will kick.
Yeah.
Guys, Akka is saying,
Okay.
Litter
It's taller
saying,
than me.
Litter saying that crop was taller than her. Tall grass, tall grass.
That's tall grass for me.
Bro, this is the food for cows.
Ah,
They grow this food especially for
Just
feeding
for that.
cows.
okay.
And
Great, this is so
ఈ
many.
పొలంలో ఈ పొలం మీదేనా ఓహో మీరు ఇక్కడ పని చేస్తుంటారు
Uh-huh.
లేదు so guys, so this is someone else land, so they
Okay.
they are growing this plants here for feeding their cow.
Okay.
Okay.
And
This
yeah,
area also.
they stay here.
Name, can you ask the
Yeah.
name?
మీ పేరు
నిర్మల
నిర్మల.
Nirmala.
Okay, her name
Beautiful
is Nirmala.
name.
She lives here only. And మీ పిల్లలు ఫ్యామిలీ ఎలా ఎంతమంది పిల్లలు ఉన్నారు? ఇద్దరు పిల్లలు. ఏం చదువుతున్నారు?
బీటెక్ పాస్
I love just listening to Telugu. It's so beautiful.
ఆ అబ్బాయి ఇంటర్ జరిగింది
I didn't know this was used for cow. I thought it was
I didn't
some
know.
kind of a crop.
Even I thought it's a sugarcane, and she's like, "This is not sugarcane season. What are you speaking?" I'm like, "Okay."
Okay.
Okay.
That cow will kick. Ask her.
Oh, that black.
Will that cow kick?
అది
Oh God.
We just went so
We
close.
just missed.
one of
You
the
is
residents
coming?
of Mallavaram.
Yeah, they're also coming.
person and he allowed
Uh-huh.
his place is
The owner of the place. This is his
It's
place.
the owner of
He
the
said,
place.
say Uppa Reddy and then go explore.
Yeah.
Oh.
Nice.
Tricks running and coming there.
I think basically he is the landowner and he does real estate, so he just can go to their homes, meet nice.
them,
no issue. Just say that you guys are Kupa Reddy's relatives.
Wow. Guys, very good people and amazing. Even everyone is so welcoming. They're like host. Like really good host.
Can you ask her if I can take a pic of her?
Come on.
So it's like taking everyone's pictures.
Guys, beautiful field. This is a golden hour.
Yeah, golden hour.
Yeah.
Nice sunlight. I like it.
Very nice sunlight, guys. Wow. So guys, this is used for cow feeder. This is the cow feeder.
Shit, that's too long that I
So I think he's taking it somewhere else in his bike.
collecting to their farm maybe.
Yeah. Nice. I want to see how he drive this with this much load. I only seen it in pictures, you know?
Yeah, actually.
Right? Wow. Really cool, man. Let's go and see. Guys, there's a lot of small kids. Hi. 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 Well, they're playing in water.
They're playing in water.
Guys, really small kids are there. Bro, can you ask them if they can show around this place?
మాకు ఒకసారి ఈ ప్లేస్ అంతా చూపిస్తారా? అంటే మీ ఇల్లు, మీ పేరెంట్స్, మీరు ఏం చేస్తారు అవన్నీ చూపిస్తారా?
These guys are just
మీ గురించి చెప్తారా? అంటే ఎప్పటి నుంచి ఇక్కడ
Guys, this is like 3 houses here.
small kids.
Yeah, and there is a shed here, I guess. Beautiful.
This is their cow shed.
Cow shed.
This is what we saw from far.
All the cows are there. This is empty.
They will.
Yeah, that is the cows we saw.
There can be seen like lot.
Oh yeah, over there also it's there, guys. So this is a big village. Yeah.
It's feeding in the field.
Okay.
So everyone came outside their houses, guys. So cute. Hello.
Trying a stick challenge, guys. Oh my god. Correct.
What do you
Okay,
say?
guys, so they are staying here from last 1 year.
Yeah.
They came here for doing this cement work, making it in bricks.
Okay.
And yeah, they are staying with their family and all. So the owner gave them this house to stay and manage
Okay.
the whole place. And,
So
yeah.
there are few old men sitting.
Okay.
Let's ask them.
Okay, I think.
Yeah. Guys, it's a really
Actually, this is a cement.
Yeah,
brick,
they are
no?
making
Cement
the brick.
Making. So they
Okay.
are working under this.
His name is K. Chandra Reddy. ఏం చేస్తుంటారు?
సేద్యం పొలం
He will also do farming here. ఏ పొలం అండి?
సిద్ధంగా
Okay, so this is
Shed.
this is cement factory is his?
No,
This is
ఈ
brick
cement
cement.
factory.
మా తమ్ముడు
Okay, his brother's cement factory.
Okay.
Okay.
But he do farming.
Yeah.
Okay. This is his brother?
మీ తమ్ముడు.
వాచ్మెన్
Okay, he's the
Watchman
watchman.
of
this.
పెరడ్ వాచ్మెన్
Same family.
He's the, I think these guys are all
Oh,
connected.
the family.
ఫ్యామిలీ అంతా
Okay.
This is his family, guys. It's a joint family, guys. Amazing. Look at these kids.
Okay, this they're like
Zoe and Nev is like.
They are having fun with them. Actually, she told. Yeah. Okay. She was saying, you fell down.
Yeah. It's okay, come. Oh, yo,
What is నీ పేరేంటి? యమున.
Yamuna.
యమున.
Yamuna, beautiful name.
యమున river. నది పేరు. మంచి పేరు.
Oh, పేరేనా?
తేజస్విని.
Oh,
తేజస్విని. తేజస్విని.
Tejaswini.
అమ్మాయి.
పేరు?
శిల్ప.
Shilpa. Guys, Shilpa. Same name.
Same.
Same.
My name is Venkatesh.
Venkatesh. Venkateshwara. What is her name?
Vikram.
Vikram.
He's a boy.
Saraswati.
Saraswati.
Vileka.
Leka. Beautiful names, no?
Yeah. Shit. My parents.
Unga peru? Yamuna. Her name.
మీ పేరు వీరమ్మ.
Veeramma. Wow.
Okay.
So guys, beautiful family. They came here 1 year back for work, and they are staying nearby from last 6 years, and they are working here for the cement blocks making thing and all.
That is their current occupation.
Yeah.
Okay.
And yeah, look at how they build the houses. They are cooking here with the bricks and stuff.
So this is their cooking place.
This is their bathing place, I guess.
No, cooking.
Okay.
And these are like 3 different houses. The one which we
These are 3
introduced.
houses.
One is his, the first one. Second one is their daughters, and the other one is also one of their daughters. So
Okay.
very small place, and he's explaining about difficulties they face because they are not even getting the fund they put into this bag. So
Okay.
it's even very difficult to
Yeah,
have
exactly.
proper
Yeah.
food, and they're not having proper nutritions.
For their kids.
Yeah, just having something, but it's not proper. Yeah, not proper for their health.
Guys, they are also very much shy about the camera, so we are leaving and we are continuing our journey. Bye.
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 Uncle, bye. Uncle.
Bye.
Oh my god. Okay, guys. We had a great time.
Great time. Bye.
Bye.
You guys gonna come with us?
They want to come.
Okay, guys. So very nice village. What happened?
Cow dung.
Me? No, great.
It's okay. Cow dung is good for hair.
Yeah, hair.
Yeah, my hair will grow if I stamp on. I'm just kidding.
What is that? Let me stamp on cow dung. Where is cow dung?
I want more and more.
Is common here because there are a lot of cows.
Yeah.
Bye. So guys,
Cows.
we came back from that small village where all those families live. So this is kind of a settlement they have there.
Yeah.
So they are there. So it is all scattered over here. If you see, this is a small settlement where they live with the cows and they're taking care of the cement and bricks and all those things, and with the agriculture. And here there is no other, houses. It's just that house, and it'll be very much far because this acres of land of cultivation they have. So we can't go there, so we're getting back to our car. Our car is parked right there.
Whenever we meet some area, we
Uh-huh.
get to know a good story and also
Yeah.
bad story. Like good story is knowing about them, knowing about the new place, and bad story is the struggles they are facing, and we are not
Yeah,
able to
what
solve
can we
them.
help? Yeah, guys, if definitely if we get something like in future, if we are able to build a big thing and get more money, definitely we can help a lot more on people. Lot of people
in
like
our
this.
country whom we are supposed to help. I mean, they need our help. Having this much of education, this
Yeah.
much of knowledge, looking at these people, I feel like we can contribute a lot.
Yeah,
Like
definitely.
Once we are grown up and deserve to be given, obviously we can
Guys,
do it.
there's a lot of wow,
There is
beautiful man.
a bird on the. Oh, did I just spoil it?
This
it
is
will-
like Amul advertisement cow. Yeah.
Nice, no?
We are the kids in the Amul advertisement. Then.
What? You guys kids?
Our alien is peeping at us, guys. Our
Okay,
aliens
guys.
are nearby.
Our alien mountain is right there behind
Car
us.
crash from the location, otherwise alien will.
UFO crash happened here and the
Ta-da.
fires are coming here. Oh my god, look at that alien moving there.
What? You're super exaggerating.
Did you see that? I saw it.
Guys, never super exaggerating the whole scenario.
This goddess
Shit. It's really, I just saw that. Okay, you guys haven't figured out. Might be the camera might have.
Yeah,
recorded
obviously
the
some
footage.
glitch might be there in camera.
Normal cameras can't record.
Oh, in that case.
Wow, guys, so we're getting back to our car. It's right there. Wow, it's just waiting. Ouch!
Guys, be careful.
Oh,
There are thorns.
ouch! Hold.
Bro, it went deep.
I think
Kind of, yeah. Thank God.
Okay.
Guys, guys, very careful. There will be snakes. There will be a lot of
There will be thorns.
thorns because it is kind of like this kind of a place where yeah, you can't see what's like. So very careful. I was wearing shoes and socks, so I was okay. And everyone is yeah, everyone is okay. So where did we came from? Like through this place?
Yeah, the same place. Yeah.
Yeah. So let's make a way, guys.
Bye.
Trekking down. Okay, guys. Everyone is
Back to our car.
yeah. Such a beautiful place, guys. I can see you guys climbing that
Yeah.
beautiful sunset. Can you
the
guys see
golden
that
hour.
sunset over there?
It's the perfect golden hour.
Shit. So
Amazing.
beautiful.
Finally reached back.
Beautiful.
I want to grasp this sun.
Hi. Wow.
So
Your
Hair is
Sun.
viewing the picture.
blocking the sun.
okay, guys, this is the sun. If I can hold it, this is the sun.
Even the mountains look very nice.
Yeah, guys, this is that mountain I was talking to you about. So good.
not invention, actual declaration of aliens.
Actually, aliens exist, guys. Might
Oh,
be
wow.
today's episode is one of the biggest proof saying that aliens have visited Andhra Pradesh on the day.
gonna
we-
be
Never is back to editing.
Let's do this, guys. Let's complete it fast and get back to
Yeah.
That's it. Let's get it.
So guys, this is a beautiful view of the mountain again because this is such a long mountain. Look at that. So the alien guys, please watch our channel and don't forget to, like, comment and click bell icon, okay, and subscribe to our channel. So we have said that to our alien friends and also you guys. Please like, comment and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon.